Stock alerts ticker. $NVVE entry. 27 cents change. 61.79% volume. 4.5 AVG reason. NVVE is surging today due to a landmark agreement to advance electrification and grid resilience in Socorro. NM target 1 to 0.3, target 2 to 0.31, target 3 to 0.33, stop loss 0.26 ticker. $IVDA entry. $1.02 change. 56.79% volume. 35.6 AVG reason. IVDA is surging due to a new Egyptian manufacturing partnership for its 360 camera technology. Target 1 to 1.27, target 2 to 1.4, target 3 to 1.52, stop loss 0.96 ticker. $NVRI entry. $18.20 change. 34.07% volume. 1.9 AVG reason. NVRI is moving up significantly today, likely due to the news of Veolia acquiring Enviris Clean Earth for $3 billion, target 118.98, target 219.36, target 319.75, stop loss 17.81.